Cash App Investing doesn't appear for many users because the feature is rolled out gradually, tied to eligibility checks, and only shows up when your account meets specific activity and verification requirements. By the end of this, you'll understand why investing is missing from your Cash App and what you can do to increase your chances of getting access. Start with rollout limits. Cash App Investing is not available to every account at the same time. Even if your app is fully updated, the feature can be completely hidden until Cash App enables it for your account. Now look at account verification. Investing requires a fully verified Cash App profile. If your identity verification is incomplete or still processing, the Investing tab will not appear. Next, check your account activity. Cash App prioritizes users who actively send, receive, and maintain consistent transactions. If your account is rarely used, the system may not unlock investing access yet. Now focus on linked bank accounts. A fully connected and stable bank account helps Cash App evaluate your financial profile. If your bank connection is missing, limited, or unstable, investing may stay unavailable. Next, look at direct deposit usage. Accounts with regular deposits tend to show stronger eligibility signals for financial features. Without that activity, the system has less data to determine account stability. Now consider age and account history. New accounts often don't get investing access immediately because there isn't enough long-term behavior data. The system needs time to understand how your account behaves financially. Next, check app version and region settings. If your app is outdated or your region doesn't support investing yet, the feature won't appear at all. Even everything else being correct, availability can still depend on rollout location. Now look at system restrictions. Cash App uses automated eligibility systems to decide who gets access. If your account shows inconsistent or low financial activity, the system may delay or block feature access. Finally, understand how Cash App structures features. Investing is treated as a separate financial service, not a default feature. That means it is only enabled when your account meets both verification and activity thresholds inside their system. To sum it up, Cash App Investing is usually missing because of three things: incomplete verification, limited account activity, or simple rollout restrictions where the feature hasn't been enabled yet. Next step is simple. Fully verify your account, use Cash App regularly, and make sure your bank is connected so the system has enough data to evaluate eligibility. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more Cash App Investing guides, feature fixes, and simple breakdowns that help you understand how these apps actually work.